Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW guys X5 and you're trying to test your coolant temperature sensor, why to buy a new one if your old one is good, guys? Now sometimes you may think you have a bad coolant temperature sensor, but it could be bad wiring harness, it could be even a bad computer in some cases. And in today's video we'll show you how to test your sensor, all the tools, parts, everything that we use. Or if you need to buy a new sensor, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out for your convenience, guys. Another thing, let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least, guys, 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you guys. Let me show you what we have here and what we'll be doing. This right here, guys, okay, is what we'll be using. This is the sensor. That's what it looks like. Doesn't matter if you have a 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, gasoline, diesel, BMW X5, the procedure will be practically the same. And in today's video, we will explain, guys, okay, how to do that. The procedure is actually very simple. All you're going to need, okay, is your coolant temperature sensor. You're going to connect 2 wires on the back side, and we'll be using alligator clips because that way makes your wife, guys, way easier than actually just holding 2 wires there all the time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can get a few of those for a ridiculously cheap price. Next, we're going to set our voltmeter, guys, okay, to ohms. We're going to go to 20 kilo ohms. Those are the graphs that we'll be using. Now, we will need to get water with a few different temperatures, okay, so we can test our sensor. Our water now, guys, okay, it's 22 degrees 23 Celsius. Our Fahrenheit, that's about 73. So 23 degrees Celsius, guys, will be in that range right here. We should have a reading between 2000 ohms and about 2600 ohms. You can see, because that's the coolant temperature, that's actually the ohm reading right here. And if we compare those, guys, you can see 23 comes to about a little bit over 2000 up to 27. And what reading we have now? We have 2.3, so 2300, guys. In the lower temperature range, our sensor is actually working amazing. So what else we're going to do? We're going to heat up the water, guys. As it heats up, you're going to see your ohms actually will drop quite a bit, guys. So we're going to heat it up, and next we'll heat it. Okay, let's heat it quite a bit actually. We're going to get it this time at about 60 degrees Celsius. Which one? Okay, it should be about 520 to about 640, guys. 520 to 640. Okay, reading. That will be our next step. Okay, let's stir it up a little bit. Let's see the temperature. We're at 40 now, so we're going to go ahead. Okay, reach 60 degrees. It's not taking too long. At 40 degrees, guys, we should be around 1000 ohms. Okay, and we're right on the spot, you can see. So definitely, guys, okay, good working sensor so far. 48 degrees. Okay, we'll be hitting 50 degrees very soon, guys. Right there, 50. Okay, 55. And at 55 we should be at about 700, right on the spot. So we keep doing that. Okay, and you can see 57, 58, 59, 60 degrees, right? Okay, right there, 60 degrees. Let's pull the heater to the side. Okay, let's pull it to the side. At 60 degrees we're at 500 ohms, and ours even got a little bit warmer, 62. So we're at 500 ohms, which is great for 62 degrees. Usually BMW X5 will stay on the lower scale, but you can go all the way up to the high scale and still be good. But usually the lower one will be the one that will be corresponding to the BMW sensor. We'll keep heating up, guys. We'll keep heating up until we reach, okay, let's see how much we're gonna reach now. We're going to reach 70 next, and we want to go all the way to 80. We'll test ours. You can go all the way to 100 if you want. 70 degrees, 3600 ohms, and we're right on the spot, guys. You can see it should be about 36 to about 4600 ohms, 460, 360 to 460. We still keep dropping. Okay, we're almost getting there. Okay, let's stop it now because it's still heating up. Okay, 80 degrees, and we're at 250 reading, and 80 degrees, we're a little bit above 80. You can see it's about 250. So we're definitely, guys, okay, definitely doing really good. And now when the water starts cooling, guys, actually your reading will start dropping as well. So definitely, guys, okay, you can see that's one good working sensor. So that's how we test it on BMW X5. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.